sure guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boat here at DJ. So today bengifuna ukureact about i-decision leka Casper Nyovest ukuthi ebuyise i-fill-up. Sazi ama-fill-up aqala e-2015 laphana uke waqala ngo-2015 wa-fill-up i-fill-up the Dome laphana wasuka lapho e-Orlando Stadium wasuka lapho e-FNB, then he took it to Durban i-fill-up Moses Mabhida eyaba ifeyila kakhulu. After lokho wathukuma but waphinde wabuya wayesale ngakubo le ko-Rustenburg. So I think it is uthatha i-decision yokumjida ukuthi ufuna ukubuyela kuma-fill-up. Mina as a fan Casper Nyovest, as a fan South African hip hop, I don't think i-decision good la yenza because already Casper usenze into eningi, use-achieve into eningi, especially when it comes to ama-fill-up. So I think the more ezama ukuyistretcha lento yakhe enza ama-fill-up izogcina siyi-flop lento yakhe and izogcina si-emotional ne-legacy yakhe. So mina if I was him bengizoyeka la ngibeke khona because already usewafilipa ama-stadium because umjida lona sebe on the game more than 10 years now. So akasashisi ngaleyo ndlela, so akasayena umuntu ongakwazi ukuphula i-crowd iningi ngaleyo ndlela. Yena menza ama-show maybe usengenza ama-show lawa small because uCasper Nyovest useyi-legend manje, ama-legend enze njalo. So mezophinda eloke busy engathi uyi-hot guy on the scene efuna ukufilapa ama-stadium, I think uzomosha umlando wakhe mina. So yona opinion yami nami I think nje le decision yakhe ukuthi esingumhla ka-6 December uya laphana kuphi lapha se-Free State, I think se-Free State Stadium laphana. So uthi uzoyifila lapha i-stadium, maybe uzoyifila lapha leya because se-Free State abajwayele ukuba nama-event, so bezobona uCasper Nyovest namathikithi akhona ngiwabonile awekho that bit affordable. But I think into abafila lapha no, I think mina siyahamba yaphelelo and u-achieve into eningi ngayo. So mina I think kwakumele mhlawumbe iyeke lento yama-fill-up after i-FNB Stadium because that was a biggest. Ngayi-attenda lokuqala ese-Joburg le at the Dome, ngayi-attenda le ese-Orlando Stadium le eNaledi, ngayi-attenda le ese-FNB futhi khona. But I think la ese-FNB like it was a peak, kukhona no-jabha like enama-highlights amaningi because ngayi-attenda la se-Durban le eyaba yifeyila and ngangithi uzoyeka after lokho. But umjida uloku yastretcha lento yakhe, but mina I think besoyisikhathi mhlawumbe uthi no hayi ehoxisa umjida ethi no hayi umlando uqophile uzenzile izinto, but I don't think la show yakhe akayenza i-fill-up isi-necessary ngo-2025. So umbono wami nami uSpeaker Now sekhona ku-Twitter ethi Speaker Now, ku-Facebook si-Speaker Now, TikTok c.Speaker Now, sikhona ku-Instagram si-Speaker Now. Away.